miscellaneous 8, and we have to find out the area under the curves, which is y is equal to x square, the line x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2, and x-axis. So this y is equal to x square is a parabola which opens in the upwardly direction. X square is equal to y. The line x is equal to 1 will be something like this. X is equal to 1. This is a x, x dash, and y, y dash, and another line x is equal to 2 is something like this, and x-axis. So this is x-axis. So I have to find out the area between the curve and the two lines and x-axis. So this is the required area. This is the curve. These are two lines, and this is the x-axis. So you can see here the limits are from x is equal to 1 to x is equal to 2. So required area, अगर आप लिमिट x की लगा रहे हो तो आपको लिखना भी x में चाहिए. एक्सप्रेशन इज इक्वल टू y dx. y मतलब x स्क्वायर होगा. लिमिट इज 1 to 2. So that will give you limit 1 to 2 and x square dx. So this is equal to x cube by 3, like this. I'm keeping that 3 constant outside क्योंकि बार बार LCM लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती. However, you can take it inside. तो हमने क्या किया इसमें? Upper limit minus the lower limit. So that's 8 minus 1, and your answer is 7 by 3 square units. Similarly, the next one, again, y is equal to x to the power 4 will be a parabola which opens in the upwardly direction. Anytime that you get confused between what kind of a structure is this, simply keep on changing the value of x. एक बारी 1 लगाओ, एक बारी -1 लगाओ. Then you put a 2 and a -2. You will immediately come to know what is the shape. So this is the parabola. And then I have two lines. X is equal to 1. This is one line. X is equal to 1. Of course, x, x dash, y, and y dash. And there's another line which is x is equal to 5. Something like this. So again, my required area is between this curve and the two lines and x-axis. तो इतना area है मेरे पास. And therefore, required area, again you can see that the limits are in terms of x. X is equal to 1, x is equal to 5. So that's equal to y dx, limit is 1 to 5. Why am I writing y over here? Because y can be written as x to the power 4 dx. Limit is 1 to 5, and therefore this is going to give you x to the power 5 by 5. Limit is 1 to 5, and when I do that, I'm going to get 1 by 5 and 5 to the power 5 minus 1. So we get 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 625, and 625 5s are 3125. So I get 3125 minus 1, that's equal to 3124 divided by 5, and we write the answer in decimal. That's a 624.8 square units. Though in the textbook this square unit is not mentioned, but it's area, better to write it down that way. Then we come to the second question, and that says find the area between the curves y is equal to x. This y is equal to x is always a number line that passes through the origin, and y is equal to x square is a parabola which opens in the upwardly direction. तो ये हमने किया एक parabola. This is y is equal to x square. This is x, x dash, y, y dash, and then I have a line y is equal to x. अब ये line कहाँ पे काटेगी? See, I have a y is equal to x and y is equal to x square. If you notice this. So what am I doing? I am equating y is equal to x and y is equal to x square. So I will come to know where does this line cut the parabola. So x is equal to x square, which means x minus x square is equal to 0. If I take a x common, 1 minus x is equal to 0 gives you x as 0 or x is 1. If x is 0, this was my line, so I'm putting it over here. If x is 0, then I get y is equal to 0, and if x is 1, I get y is equal to 1. Therefore, the points are 0, 0 and 1, 1. So this is a number line that passes through the origin, and I get the points. This one is 0, 0 and this is 1, 1. Correct? I have been asked the area between the curves. तो area between the curve क्या हो गया? Area below the line, उसमें से हम क्या कर रहे हैं? Area below the curve को निकाल रहे हैं. इस area को हम निकाल रहे हैं. So when you do this in the examination, you have to mark only this much area. इतना. ऐसे. सिर्फ ये area. All right. So required area will be area below the line minus area below the curve. और अब देखो मैंने यहाँ परपेंडिकुलर एक्स एक्सिस पर डाली है, तो मेरे को बहुत क्लियरली पता है कि आई हैव टू राइट द एक्सप्रेशन इन एक्स. सो लाइन की इक्वेशन क्या है? y इज इक्वल टू एक्स. सो लिमिट क्या है? 0 to 1 x dx माइनस ये टोटल में से मैंने क्या किया था? ये निकाल दिया था. माइनस एरिया बिलो द कर्व एक्स स्क्वायर dx, और x की लिमिट है 0 to 1. And therefore when I evaluate this, I'm going to get x square by 2, limit is 0 to 1, minus x cube by 3, limit is 0 to 1. So put the upper and the lower limit. This will give you 1 minus 0. This will also give you 1 minus 0. So I get 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. And when you take the LCM, I'll write this neatly. When you take the LCM, this is going to give you 1 by 6 square units. When you are plotting this in the examination, see to it कि इस वाले एरिया को नहीं मार्क करें आप, ये वाले एरिया को. ठीक है? Only the shaded area is this one, ये वाला. वो सिर्फ explanation के लिए था कि उतना एरिया निकाला है. Then the third one, area lying in the first quadrant bounded by, so again we have a parabola looking like this, and this is the third one. Y is equal to 4x square, x is equal to 0, x 0 यहाँ होता है. This time it's y is equal to 1 and y is equal to 4. ऐसा है. Again mark x, x dash and y, y dash. So therefore अब क्या बोला है? इन द फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट. तो मुझे सिर्फ ये एरिया पूछा हुआ है, ये वाला. नाउ इफ यू नोटिस हियर द लिमिट्स आर इन टर्म्स ऑफ y. सो आई शुड क्लियरली नो दैट माय एक्सप्रेशन शुड बी इन टर्म्स ऑफ y. आई शुड राइट समथिंग इन y. व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज y is equal to 4x square. So x square is equal to y by 4, and therefore x is equal to 1 by 2 and y to the power half or square root of y. And therefore required area is equal to half and y to the power half dy, limit is 1 to 4, which is going to give me half and y to the power 3 by 2 into 2 by 3, limit is 1 to 4, and that is going to give me 1 by 3 and 4. So 4 can be written as 2 square into 3 by 2 minus 1 to the power 3 by 2 is 1. So I'm going to get again 2 cube minus 1, that's a 7 by 3 and square units.